Hey everybody, it's me, RayisCool87, and guys, April Fools. Yeah, that's right. Unfortunately, episode 14 is not actually done, so I'll just be making episode 14, and I'll also give you some sneak peeks at the end.
Time.
No.
Time.
No. So, I'm just gonna say something, the past few days, I don't know if any of you guys saw the video, but it's just me saying that, I couldn't do Raise Cool Let's Play until July. I hope you guys can understand that.
Can't afford to lose again.
Let's see. So anyways, episode 14, the mysterious character at the end of episode 13, he's not gonna appear as much, but he's definitely gonna have, a bigger role in episode 15, that's all I can say. Anyways, the character's official name, I don't think you've watched the video called WTF, but anyways, I'm just gonna show you for a sec. Wait, no, not him, this one. No, why not? This guy's name is officially wait, no, don't leak any characters. This guy's name is Chadger Chicken, and he's basically just a deformed clone of Challenger Chicken. Anyways, I'll just show you a sneak peek of part 1.
Well, technically they're not.
No!
Oh, okay then.
Wait, no, that's not incomplete. I'll show it to you like this.
So, you're basically just a deformed clone that the slug snail sent out to kill me.
Yes, I'm here to warn you about him sending an army to attack all of you.
Army?
Yes, I think you should warn all your friends.
Well, technically they're not.
Now!
Oh, okay then.
Anyways, guys, that'll be all for today. This is RayisCool87 signing out. Bye, guys. Happy April Fools.